Chapu, your question is very simple. Okay. Already we have solved many questions for the vector analysis. So you have asked this question. It has come in electrical 2020. The question is very simple. Already we have solved many questions for the vector analysis. You must go in the previous lecture. Okay. So this is the question number 27 and we will solve today non-stop 8 hours. We will solve more than 150 questions for all branches. Okay, engineering branch special, and also for the mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and for the aerospace engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and IN student, petroleum engineering, for all students. Okay, so ECE department. So now the question is, let unit vector along the direction ax ay. That is our habit to write I and J unit vector, but they have defined here ax and ay to confuse you. Then vector function f is equal to y ax minus x ay. Then find integration of c y is equal to x square f dl. So they have written such type of form only to confuse. If you have any problem, then you can replace a to the ax is equal to I and ay is equal to j, no problem. So now they have given us one graph, and this graph, it is from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 2. This is your graph, this is your point -1 1, and this is your another point 2 4. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now we have to find this answer. So integration of c, we have to find integration of c f dl. We have to find this f dl. So what is dl and what is f? So f, they have given us your f is equal to y ax minus x ay. If you have problem, then you can write here I and G, no problem. So now if your value is this, then what is dl? Your dl, it will be your dl for such type of function, your dl dx ax plus dy ay. Okay, now put the value here. Integration of c y ax, and this is minus x ay, dot product, and this is dx ax plus dy and ay. Yeah, okay. You know that I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, I dot j is equal to 0, j dot I is equal to 0 for the dot product. So you have to multiply this and this. I dot I is equal to 1. So ax cap into ax cap is equal to 1. So you will get y dx. So in this condition, you will get y dx minus x dy. Okay. But you have to replace one thing. Already they have given us y is equal to x square. In this condition, dy is equal to 2x dx. They have given us, so you have to put this value here. This is your answer. Okay. Now y dx is equal to x square dx minus x dy is equal to 2x dx. I think that you understand. Okay. So 2x square minus x square is equal to minus x square. So your integration minus x square dx, because 2x square minus x square is equal to minus x square dx, and you know that integration of this is equal to minus x cube upon 3. Okay, integration of x to power n is equal to n plus 1 upon n. Okay, now the question is, if you are in x-axis, so your value, it will be from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 2. So your value, it will be from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 2. It will work for dx. So in this condition, minus it will come outside and 1/3 it will come outside. Okay. So in place of x you have to write 2 cube minus and -1 ka whole cube. So sorry, 2 to the 4 to the 8. This is -1/3. 8 minus plus 1. So this is -9/3. Okay, this is -9/3. It means that this is -3. I think that you understand. Very simple question. Okay, very simple question. That is high school. So this is not a very tough question. You have asked, but I have solved. So now next question again for the electrical engineering. There are many students, they have come and they are asking the questions for the maximum minimum. I have seen many students, they have problem for the maximum minimum. Already we have done a lot of problems for the maximum minimum. Please go in that section. In the playlist name is Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Okay, you must go there. So the question, so one the Tomar, he is from Patna, and Parvati and Tamanna and Shyam all are from Tata Nagar. I think that this is in near to Kolkata. Okay, so they have asked that please discuss about the maxima and minimum. So now we will discuss about the maxima, minima and saddle point. When you are getting the saddle point, when you are getting the maxima, minimum. Okay, now the next one is